this is the STOFINITY Romantic card with voice message, audio, and photos. This is how it comes. Just open it up. It's so cute. Okay, let me explain what's in here. This immediately feels more personal than a standard card without being complicated. So this is what you do, okay? This is the card, the album. It says here, scan this code for a secret love track, and that's the code. The code goes to STOFINITY.shop, and then you're my favorite track. You could write something in here. The outside of the record cover, there's a heart, and then here, You album, track 1, you could write something. My favorite person to laugh with, track 2. My favorite pair of eyes to look into, track 3. My favorite way to spend an afternoon, limited pressing. Very nice. Okay. And then you have the stickers. You could personalize them. So during testing, this is what you're going to do. You're going to scan this. It's going to open up to STOFINITY.shop. And you're going to hit start creating. It's going to have you add their name and email and whatnot. And then you're going to do a dedication. You're going to add a voice message. You could put photos, and then you can do memories. Step 3 is preview and publish the creation. And step 4 is to give the unlock code to the loved one. What I like about this, being able to record your actual voice instantly makes this more meaningful than anything handwritten. I love the QR setup. It is so straightforward. It didn't require an app. And I like the vinyl style design here. Keeps it so fun. Why I like this is because hearing someone's voice hits differently than just reading words. And the option to add photos or a short message turns this into a keepsake, not a one and done card. This works especially well for anniversaries, long distance moments, or milestones when you want something to last. This is a thoughtful way to give something without trying too hard. It is personal, it is easy to use, and is genuinely memorable. The opinions in this review are mine, based on my real use and testing of the product. The product was provided to me by the brand.